So for week 6, you have 2 assignments. Your first assignment is energy flow in an ecosystem. Your second assignment is niche and community interactions. You are going to click on your first assignment, and in there you'll see a thing called energy flow in ecosystems. It's in a Google slide format. So you will click on your assignment. This is from what you can see of my view. So this is a worksheet that I put in there. So you are going to click each page. You are going to read it. If you need for it to be bigger so you can see, you're going to click over here at the zoom button. You can click down. You can zoom in at 100. Make sure you're using the scroll over here on the side to zoom up and down. So you are going to read it. So this is before you read it. It says in this section, you will explore food chains and food webs, as well as food pyramids. What are the main differences between a chain and a food web? Record your ideas below. So everywhere where you see there's a click here little memo, you are going to click on it. Let me go back to fit. So you would click on that memo and you would start typing in there. So once you click, you'll be able to type in there. Same with down here. So this part right here, you don't need to do that in your own words. You are going to read, and as you are reading, there are spots for you to answer. So again, you would click here and then type your answer. If you run out of room, you will click up here to the text box and you will create your text box beside the question where you ran out of room for typing. You will just write your question beside it. So again, you can type it in and see that it does type. You will just finish typing your answer beside the question that you are answering. As you're scrolling, there are other questions where it has a check. That's where you would come over to the side and see that there's a question over there. As you're scrolling down, you will see that again, there's some more questions onto the side over here. This pertains to the reading you just did right here. There are images, there are questions. If you need to zoom in, remember it's up here where it says zoom. You can click on the button and you can make it however you need to, or you can just simply click zoom in or zoom out when you need to zoom out. The next page, this one, the energy flow page, you do have a vocabulary box up here. Those words are only to be used once. Okay, so everywhere where it says answer here, those are all where words will be. So you'll just again click on it and you'll be able to type your answer. Okay. You can erase what I wrote, the answer here. In order to type your answer, I just did that so you knew exactly where to put your answer at. So again, right here, again, your answer would go here. If you can't remember or you need to refer back to the reading, you can just simply scroll up and click on where you need to click on. Hopefully this video helps you understand exactly how to do this. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Or you can send me something on Remind.